Welcome back guys, Cryptofolite channel. Today we'd like to talk about a TAO, Bittensor, targets and updates for this token and what's going on now with my custom set. Let's dive in. Once again guys, nothing special happened for TAO, something unpredictable because that drop to 50% of monthly gap, it was totally predictable. What we can't know the time when it will happen, because this is on the max. Guys who invested in the Bittensor on the max on centralized exchanges in May 2023, it was logical, so they will fix the profit at after 2,580% profit gains, and it was just logical. So what we can't know the time. So like you can see here, it was April 2024. I don't think so once again. So this was the end of bull run for this stock. And now, step by step, I think we will see the new hype around the AI sector, because you can see the DeepSeek, you can see the OpenAI work on some innovation in the AI sector. And I think AI sector will be at least half year or a year of the trending time in the crypto space. So TAO, I think, will hit new all-time high. But once again, here the potential to new all-time high from these current prices, it's only 100% gain. So ask yourself, is it okay for you to invest at 365 in some token and mark your personal zone of interest where you would like to fix a profit? So technically, once again, this was a test, perfect test, 50% of monthly gap. Technically, we already closed that gap. After that, like you can see, we not hit the new all-time high, not sweep that liquidity pool and dump it again to the same monthly gap. Should we drop in March, April, May, to fulfill? I don't think so. So let's be real. I don't think so. We will drop now to $88 to fulfill of monthly gap. Of course, I can be wrong. Definitely, but I hope we format something like a local double bottom. So technically it's just a global range, right? So almost the year we're just in a range, but I think it's something like double bottom, and the size of this double bottom can be, let's say in theory, it can be around 1,400 at 1,000 when we will pass 1,000. For Bittensor, a lot of people start when we go into 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, all of that stuff type of videos. So definitely you will see this type of video. Now it's hard to say where exactly we will stop. If let's hide this sweep. If we talk about the potential, if it's an impulse correction, technically we already formed the normal healthy correction to 78, 86 zone. This one, bounce it, not hit new all-time high, drop it down again, 61. So should we drop again and sweep the liquidity pool of August 24? Absolutely, guys, everything possible. But you can imagine if the Bittensor will drop 57%, what will happen with all other alt? I hope not. I hope we will hold the line at 317, for example, here, and going higher. So the next step, it will be 27 block. This one 884, 948, 1,000, around 1,200. What will be next? It's hard to say now. If we use this, like FIP, basic one, top correction to the bottom, found the bottom here. The same story. 1,162, 1,779, maybe. So it's hard to say, guys, where exactly this token will stop. But now it looks like, impulse and just a range. So anyway, the second impulse should be a smaller one than this one. I think, yes, over than 1,000, it's more than real to see. I can be absolutely wrong for Bittensor, but at least in this area I was correct. Can't know the timing, guys. Nobody knows the timing. Maybe we'll go 2 years, one more year, just in range. Form deviation at the top, then going down, form deviation at the bottom, and just one global range. Yes, also possible. That's why, guys, this cycle is so terrible. So terrible because a lot of tokens launched, not so much liquidity, a lot of rug pools, all this hype around the politics. Every single time when the politics touch something, it's going it's going weird, right? It's going worse and worse and worse. But this is a world of crypto space with institutional. So we dreamed about institutional join to this market. So here we are. So technically, guys, I don't think so. We will drop again to this block. I don't think so. I hope we stop at around 300, at least 300, and start climbing up to the top because of timing. Because we don't have so much time, for this altcoin season. ADZ. So this was accumulation. Distribution. This is why I shared we formed the divergence on a weekly time frame. It was time to sell. This time it's like accumulation, and here's accumulation. So without any divergence, healthy move, we can go higher. Or we can crash again inside a crazy accumulation zone on ADZ on a weekly time frame, guys. But based on seasonality, based by logic, based on BTC dominance so high now, I think the money should inflow from BTC into out. The bad case scenario, guys, if the money from BTC, the profit from BTC will start inflow just in stables. So yes, unfortunately it's possible. Direction, no signal for accumulation. Here, you can track on history. This is apria, top, drop, hope, pump, apria, drop, hope. So if the history repeat, we should go over than 1,000 per TAO. Money power, money outflow. That's why I told you it was a good time to fix the profit. Here's a 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row money inflow. After that money inflow, so let's say here, we pump at 267. Now we see the same money inflow. So 267 from the money inflow candle, it should be, I don't know, here. So yes, around 1,200. So nothing special, guys. So risk reward. Ask yourself, is it okay for you to buy at 364 now, Bittensor, if the big players accumulated this asset between 100 and 300, 130. Trade on, buy, sell, drop, buy back, pump, buy back. So I would like to see, of course, the continuation. Now, for me, it looks like double bottom, but what is bad, guys? Take a look. We didn't test the buy line on the weekly. A lot of examples when we come back and test it. So once again, if we will see the capitulation again, so we can test minus 38% from this current prices for Bittensor is going to be crazy move, and you can imagine what will happen with other alts. This cycle is so weird. Daily time frame, I hope and I wish to hold the line at 325. So at least 300, this one. And start climbing up higher, because anyway, matter of time, of course, when we will liquidate that, guys. So we build the compression, so this like compression. And we should at least go to 600. So at 600, you can fix initial deposit. And so now all eyes on buy line on a daily. This one you can add alert, for example. For my wallet, we already tested. And this block, 198, sorry. So this is it, guys. And I'm more bullish than bearish for alts for spring. But anyway, we can see 2 weeks more for February, and a lot of stuff can happen in 2 weeks. So take a look. This is 2 weekly candles. So we dump at 51%. Who could predict? So at 495, we can drop to 238. So in this case, why we can't drop 50%, 52% again to 201 cents, $201? We can, of course we can. So guys, now not so many bullish signals. So I hope we hold the line here and going higher. So my conclusion, I think we will see the new all-time high for Bittensor. I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what is your realistic price target for TAO. If you'd like to trade with my customer request I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.